Module 3, Section 4, MySQL Update Table, updating records in a table. So in this section, we will learn update table command and how we can update records using this update command. So the basic syntax for update statement is update keyword will come as it is, then table name which you want to in which you want to update, then after that you will specify the columns which you want to update. So before that you will put set is the SQL keyword, set column name, column equal to whatever you want to update, then column 2, then here you can specify list of columns. So with single command you can update multiple columns, and after that you will specify condition with where clause. If you want to update selected rows only, so you will specify the condition using where clause. So where clause in SQL is used to specify the condition. So in the last section 3 we'll have changed the amp info table name to employee detail using the alter command. So and there we have few records in the table. Okay, so these are the records in the table. So let's suppose we have few requirements. We want First requirement is we want to change age, update age 23 and phone number this 9816 02243, where name equal to Seema for Seema. Okay, and second requirement is for Rohan. By mistake we have entered the state as Delhi and the state should be Chennai, so we need to update the state here. And third requirement also I am adding, I want to change the employee number for Rita as 6 and Reena and yeah, for Rita as 6. Okay, so update amp number is equal to 6, where name is equal to Rita. Okay, so these changes we want to do, so these we can easily do using the update command. So let's write the query to do these changes. So first the command will be, let's copy this as it is. Okay, so this is the syntax for the command. Okay, and first is update. Here table name will be employee details, as we have changed the name of the table, employee details. Then update table name, update employee detail, set column age. Since we want to update age, so we'll can write as set column as it is. We can copy and paste over here. So this is update age is equal to 23. Then secondly we want phone number to this, so we can put over here, right? So since we want to update only two columns, so we will uh, uh, we can no need to give comma over here. So in where clause we can specify the condition where for name equal to Seema. Okay, so where name is equal to Seema, so it will update age and phone number for Seema. Okay, so this I need to give in quotes as these are where string fields. Okay, so this is my query. Okay, let's execute this command in the SQL workbench. So let's, before updating, let's check the records in the employee detail table. Select star from employee details. Okay, what are the existing records in the, so these are the records in the existing table, and we want to update age and phone number for Seema. Okay, currently these are null, So let's execute this. This is the command update employee detail. Set A is equal to 23, phone number is equal to this, and where name equal to Seema. Okay, why it's error? Where name equal to Seema, right? So this comma should be like this. Okay, so this is my query. Let's execute this update statement, and it's giving error unknown column name. Okay, let's check the structure of the table and describe employee details. Okay, let's check the structure. Yeah, so it should be first underscore name, not name. Okay, so I am giving first underscore name. Okay, where first name is Seema. Now it should be successfully executed. Yeah, yes. So it's giving one row affected because there is one record of Seema. So it's giving one row affected. If there are two records, then it will show you two records affected. So let's check whether it's updated successfully or not. Yes, yes, we have updated the age and phone number for Seema. Okay, and then our next requirement is we want to change state for Rohan as Chennai instead of Delhi, where first name is Rohan. Okay, so we can copy this query as it is, and this time we want to update only single column, and that is state only. So I am deleting this. Set state equal to Delhi. Sorry, Chennai. Chennai, where name first name is Rohan. Okay, first name is Rohan. Let's execute this query. So this is our query. Update employee details. Set state equal to Chennai, where first name equal to Rohan. Currently for Rohan, the state is in Delhi. It should get changed to Chennai once we hit this query, right? So I am executing this query. Let's check whether it's updated or not. Yes, the state for Rohan is updated as Chennai. Now my next requirement is for Rita. I want to change employee number as 6. Okay, so for this also I can use this query. Here I want to change employee number, so emp underscore number, where first name is equal to Rita. First name is Rita as what? 6. Okay, so this is my query. Currently m number is 1, so it should get changed to 6. Yes, let's check this. Let's check the table records again. Yes, so it is successfully updated as 6. So this is all about section 4 of this section module 3, and in this we learn how to update the rows in a table. Up till now we have learned the alter command and update command in this whole module, and in the next module, in the next session we will be starting new module 5. In that we will learn use of SQL logical operators to retrieve the data. Till then you practice these. Thank you. Bye bye.